Derivative of exponential and logarithmic function. Derivative of exponential function. Let e of x equal e to the x be the natural exponential function. Then the derivative of e of x is e of x itself. In general, if we are doing the chain rule where the exponent is being a function, then we have derivative of e to the g of x equal e to the g of x times derivative of g of x. Let's find the limit of the following. Y equal x squared times e to the x. Then y prime is equal to 2x times e to the x plus x squared times e to the x. Y prime here equal 1 over 2 square root of e to the 2x plus 2x. Now we need to multiply with the derivative of the inside. That is e to the 2x times 2 plus 2. Let's clean this up. So 2e to the 2x plus 2 divided by 2 root e to the 2x plus 2x. This is equal e to the 2x plus 1 divided by root of e to the 2x plus 2x. A colony of mosquitoes have an initial population of 1,000. After t day, the population is given by a of t equal 1,000 times e to the 0.3 t. Show that the ratio of change of the population a prime t to the population a of t is constant. Okay, so that what the goal here is to show a prime of t divided by a of t is a constant. So first step, we need to find a of t. A prime of t is equal to 1,000 e to the 0.3 t times 0.3. So that is 300 times e to the 0.3 t. So then the ratio a prime of t divided by a of t is equal to 300 times e of 0.3 t divided by 1,000 times e to the 0.3 t, and this is 3 over 10. So this is a number, so then it is a constant. Derivative of exponential and logarithmic function. Let b be greater than 0 and n is not 1. Let g of x be in differential equation. Then if y equal log of b times x, then the derivative of dy dx is equal 1 over x times ln of b. If y equal ln of x, then dy dx equal 1 over x. Consider the derivative of the function y equal b to the x and assume that the function is differentiable for all b that greater than 0. Then we can use the definition of the derivative to calculate f prime of x. So when we use the definition to calculate f prime of x, what you need to know that is then the derivative of f of x equal b to the x is equal to b to the x times ln of x. Okay, so d dx of b to the x equal b to the x times ln of b. The proof for these formulas are available in our textbook if you want to take a look at them. Find the derivative of the following. If f of x equal to ln of x to the third plus 3x minus 4, so there is a chain rule applied. F prime of x equal 1 divided by x to the third plus 3x minus 4 times 3x squared plus 3. So this equal to 3x squared plus 3 divided by x to the third plus 3x minus 4. F prime of x is equal So let's simplify this. If f of x equal to 2x squared plus 1 times tangent of x, and we want to differentiate this, we want to find this derivative, and we want to use logarithmic differentiation. Okay. So note that in the exponent of the function, I have a function itself, tangent of x. So recall log of a to the exponent b is equivalent of saying b times log of a. Same with ln, or ln of a to the b is equal to b times ln of a. So I will rewrite my function as y equal 2x to the 4 plus 1 to tangent of x. If I take log both sides, logarithmic both sides, take natural log both sides, then I can bring the tangent of x down. I can take derivative here. So then we need to use implicit differentiation. So 1 over y times dy dx is equal to derivative of tangent equal to secant squared of x plus tangent of x divided by 2x to the 4 plus 1 times ax to the third plus times ax to the third, right? And let's go ahead and we'll clean this up a little bit. So then we have 1 over y dy dx is equal to secant squared of x times ln of 2x to the 4 plus 1 plus ax to the third tangent of x divided by 2x to the 4 plus 1, and then we multiply both sides with y. So dy dx is equal to y multiplied with this whole thing. Find the slope of the tangent line to the given curve at x equal 2. In order to find the slope, first we need to calculate the derivative. So y prime here equal to 3 to the x times ln of 3. Okay, so at x equal 2, so we then evaluate y prime at 2. We're looking at 3 to the second times ln of 3. So that is 9 ln of 3. So that is the slope of the tangent line at x equal 2. So y equal mx plus b. If x equal 2, y then equal 9. 9 equal 9 times ln of 3 times 2 plus b. That is 9 equal 18 ln of 3 plus b. So then b equal 1 over 2 ln of 3. So now then I can write my tangent line as y equal 9 ln of 3 times x plus 1 over 2 ln of 3. And this is the exact form. Exact form the answer without any decimal.